I had a inguinal hernia repair. It was a injury at work. I was lifting some I-beams and I just felt like a hot kind of burning down that side, and the last time I felt that, it was a hernia. I guess some of my concerns were just somebody that really knew what they were doing. And I knew the robotic procedure was, more people were using it. My brother just had the umbilical hernia repair last year, and he used the Da Vinci machine, and the insurance company kept sending me to another doctor that I had already expressed that I wasn't comfortable with. And so when I finally came in for consultation here with Dr. Choudhry, I was, I guess, a little bit skeptical, but after looking at the reviews and stuff on him and then meeting him in person and the way that he explained everything that was going to be done, I was very satisfied and hopeful that it was going to get fixed and fixed correctly.
Mr. Nagel, he's a gentleman who suffered an injury while on the job. So he was seen by his doctor related to workers' comp, and then was referred to me with the diagnosis of a left inguinal hernia.
So when I came in to meet with Dr. Choudhry on the initial consultation, he was just like an open book. He was very personable. He didn't seem like standoffish. You could just talk to him like another person, not like, oh, this is my surgeon or something. It was just felt like we got along real well, and he was very, very good about explaining the procedure, what I could expect, what my expectations could be.
So we talked about different surgical options with him, and usually the treatment for a inguinal hernia is surgical repair. There is an option of doing an open surgery and a big cut and an open approach to the repair, and then there's also minimally invasive approaches to repairs, both either laparoscopically or robotically. And so I recommended to him that we do a robotic repair of his left inguinal hernia.
Started work again about a month ago. So it's been 3 months since the surgery, and it took approximately 6 weeks until I was released by the doctor to go back to full work. I would recommend North Star surgery to anybody. They're probably, I would say they're the best that I've come across, and I've had this surgery, well, this is twice now, and I'm definitely very happy with the outcome.